my peeps. So today, I want to make a box of chocolate covered eggs. It's mostly using Dollar Tree stuff, but you're gonna need a little bit of clay and a flour mold, or you don't need a flour mold. You can make the molds by hand. I mean, you can make the flours by hand, but I'm gonna use a mold. Okay. So I got these little tiny eggs from Dollar Tree. They come in, I think, 4 different sizes. This is the smallest egg. Then there's a medium, a large, and I think they got the big, the biggest. Sorry if you hear my dog is in the background. She decided to play with her squeaky toy now, so sorry for that. She's a puppy, and I let her be free. And she picked right now to play with her squeaky toy. She didn't play with squeaky toy all day. Anyways, I got this box from Dollar Tree too. This box is from Dollar Tree, and it fits. I already tried 9 of these small eggs fit in here if you put them going across like this. If you put them going that way, you could get 4, but you could only get 2 layers. If you put them going this way, you get 3 layers. So I then took that egg and oh God, I don't know. Bella, seriously though? I can't take it. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna have to get another. Hold on. No, you can't play with that toy right now because you're making too much noise. Play with something else. Okay, guys. I took the toy away because no. But so I took the chocolate egg and I painted it apple barrel chocolate sprinkle. Okay. I put it on a skewer, I painted it, and then I put it on a foam block like this. You can see the foam block, and I just painted them all. And then I didn't paint them, of course, while you guys are here because it would take too long. So this is what my plan, my idea is. I got some aluminum little tin, what do you call these? Cupcake liners. These are the really small ones. So I'm gonna lay them out first. Now make sure you only get 1. I'm gonna lay them out. And you're just gonna put them in your box. Now you don't have to make them this small. You can make them big if you want to make big ones, or you know, whatever, however you. This is just you guys know, I only just give you the idea. You run with it and make it your own. Do however you want to do. But I wanted to make a box of chocolate eggs. So now you're gonna have to fix it up a little bit. So I got my glue gun here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of the eggs and I'm gonna hot glue it into here, but I want to do it while it's in here. Right? Let's get the good side, and I'm just gonna hot glue my little egg in there like that. Okay? I'm gonna hot glue all the eggs down first. Okay? Just need a little bit of glue. Now find the good side of your egg, because sometimes the paint job sucks. And you might have a little, let me show you, a little bit of white showing at the bottom. You could just cover that up with paint if you want, but I'm not going to be worried about that. I'm just going to glue my eggs down, and then I'm going to glue the wrapper down. But first, I just wanted to get the egg shape, because I don't want to put it in there and then like I didn't, you know, sort it properly or line it up properly, and then it's not gonna look the way I want it to look. So I'm just gonna put the, so I got the eggs from Dollar Tree, I got the box from Dollar Tree. The mold that I'm gonna use for the flower, I think I got it from Etsy. I mean, not Etsy, Amazon, and I will post a link to that. It's probably gonna come in a set with other flower molds, but I like having different flower molds. Doesn't that look cute already? I wanted this to look like the old-fashioned. I'm an old head. I know I got a lot of old heads following and subscribe to this channel. You remember the old chocolate egg that came with the little flower, the little what they call that, oh boy, the royal icing flower on top? That's what I was thinking I wanted to do. So I'm just gonna make an old-fashioned chocolate egg box. So now I'm gonna take the egg out, and then I'm gonna put some hot glue on the bottom, and now I'm gonna glue it down. I thought it would be easier this way than trying to do it another way. Now you're gonna have all this glue strings and all that other crazy stuff. You're gonna clean it up at the end, or right before I put the flowers and the leaves and stuff. I don't even know what my dog, she's laying down. I'm like, what is she doing? She's laying down. She had a long day. She graduated. Today was her graduation from puppy training. Puppy, I forgot what it was called. But anyways, and she played with her friends, and she had tons of treats. She got some new toys. So she's laying down over there. She had a long day. Okay, so just basically that's it. I'm gonna glue my last egg, and then we're gonna decorate the top to make them look like the old-fashioned eggs. All right, but first I'm gonna try to grab some of this glue if I can. Okay, there goes some, but I'm not gonna worry about that. I can do that later. So I got this mold. I'm gonna use this leaf right here because it's the tiniest one, and this flower right here. So this is what I got. I already did them in advance, because if not, we'll be here for a long time. So I did all the leaves, and now I'm just gonna use glue, tacky glue, and I'm gonna put the flowers down, the leaves down first. Right? Put the leaf down first. Let me see how the flower would look. Yeah. I'm gonna put the leaf down first. Why isn't this glue coming out? And then I'm gonna put the flower on top. Like that. Oh, that's so cute. I love it. I didn't think that was gonna look so cute. Right? So then you're gonna do this for the whole box. I did yellow flowers. I didn't make the flowers all the same color. This glue is getting on my nerves. Right? Put that one down. And then put this one down. And then I'm going to put the flower on top. Ugh. I don't know why this glue is acting so crazy today. Alright. So now we're gonna put the flower on top. Yeah. Oh man, I love this. This is so cute. Hold on, let me move these up and move this down and move this over here so I'll get a better reach. So yeah, so I did what I said I did: yellow, turquoise, and pink flowers. Oh, almost picked the wrong one. I don't know, it's like I just wanted to do something different, and I saw these eggs and I was like, I thought about how they back in the day you would see them all everywhere. You don't see them that often. I mean, you still see them, but not like, you know, like when I was a kid. That was one of the things that was offered as, you know, Easter treat. And I didn't want to make like big ones. I kind of wanted to make like a little gift box type thing, so you could display, like, you know, with all your other Easter treats. I did a lot of Easter treats so far. Have you guys checked out all the reels and all the little videos I made? I did more than ever. There's more Easter treats than ever on my channel this year. I mean, I did a charcuterie board already, and it's only the middle of the month, so I still got more to go. So I will post the link to the mold if you are interested in it. Like I said, you can make this by hand. You don't have to do, you know, you don't have to have this mold. But if you want it, I will post the link. Okay? And basically, after you do this, that's it. You got your little egg gift box. Oh, I'm putting the flower up first before I even finish putting the other leaf. I'm getting ahead of myself. This is the pink one is what I remember, and yellow too. You know what? I've seen all these three colors, so I'm not even gonna lie. But I hope you guys like this idea, and you're gonna make you one. It's pretty cheap. Like I said, you get the box from Dollar Tree. You get the eggs. You get, how many eggs come in here? I think it was it 12 eggs? Yeah, I think you get 12 eggs in the bag. And I don't know, it's just a cute idea. So you guys make it, and if you make it, don't forget to tag me and let me see your creations, okay? And if you're on Facebook and you're not following me, why not? I post the tutorials over there too, and I have a little bit more interaction over there. So come on over to Facebook. If you're over there, follow me. And if you're not, it's okay too. But guys, look at this box. Isn't it so cute? I love it. And you could put the lid on it, and like you can leave the box like that, covered in halfway. Look at this. Look how cute. I love it. That's it, guys. I hope you like this tutorial, and I hope I see you guys make it, and I hope you tag me in it, and have fun faking it. Until the next time, don't forget to comment. If you're not subscribed to my channel, why not? Because if you keep coming back to look at my tutorials, just subscribe. And you'll always know when I post a tutorial and all that good stuff. And don't forget to leave a comment and interact with my tutorial so that, you know, YouTube sees that you guys are interested in what I'm doing and that you like what I'm doing. And they put me out there into the algorithm so that my channel keeps growing. And until the next time, my peeps, stay safe, stay healthy, keep crafting. God bless you guys. Bye.